Hello everybody, welcome to the video. I'm Robert Robinson, and today here we are looking at an Owens Corning architectural 30-year shingle, and the color is Estate Gray. Estate Gray is going to be the lightest of the gray colors in the Owens Corning family, and as you can see here, it's a really nice gray with some depth to it. It's got some lighter and some slightly darker shades, but again, it is going to be on the lighter side of the grays. This is Estate Gray. Please do let us know if you have any questions. We are happy and here to answer them. If you'd like to see other shingles, colors, samples, just reach out, let us know. We're happy to help you in the decision process and make sure you feel good about what's going on your roof.